Hi, I'm Sam Waddington and this is my living CV. I'm 22 years old and I'm currently studying hospitality management at Cardiff Metropolitan University. The hospitality industry is an industry I'm passionate about and I'm currently working to put myself in the best place possible so that I can progress in my career. I've gained a mixture of work experience in the industry and I'll tell you a little bit more about myself throughout the video.
I'm currently living in Cardiff and have a passion for sports and travelling. I've been on some great adventures to Southeast Asia and South America, which has helped me to become more culturally aware. I went to a small school in the Cotswolds to undertake my GCSEs. I had a great time at this school and managed to achieve 8 GCSEs B to C. I also achieved a Distinction Plus in public services. I then decided to go to sixth form closer to home, where I went to St Edward's School to do my A-levels. I got a C in Business Management, a D in Drama and a D in AS Design and Technology. After this, I decided to go to Cardiff Metropolitan University as it had a great reputation for international hospitality management. First, I did a foundation degree in General Business Management, in which I scored a distinction which is an equivalent to a first. I then moved on to an undergraduate course where I've taken key business modules including finance, HR management, marketing and strategic management. This has given me a wide range of transferable skills. I particularly excelled in finance, where I have not scored below a first in 3 years of taking the module. I am currently on a 2-1, but I'm aiming for a first. So what work experience have I gained? Well, I've been working since I was 16 years old. When I was 16, I did 2 weeks work experience supporting a business called Ludlow Healthcare. It's a business that specifically helps children with mental disabilities. When I was 17, I decided to do a month's work experience as a barista and waiter in the Grape and Olive in Swansea. After finishing school, I decided to do something a little bit different. I started working in SA Brain's Quality Control Lab as an assistant. This was a job that required me to collect and test samples from around the brewery. In this job, I learned the importance of attention to detail, quality control and upholding professional standards. I also learned a thing or two about how to make a good beer. Alongside this job, I worked in a cocktail bar in Cardiff city centre called Barocco. This job involved serving cocktails over the bar and interacting with customers. I'm currently undertaking my team leader training, which involves managing stock, finances and people. So what makes me different from everybody else? Well, I'd have to say it's my work ethic. Once I set myself a goal, I'm extremely motivated to achieve and will push myself in order to do so. An example of this is when I decided to save up to travel to Southeast Asia, a lifelong ambition of mine. When I was 18 years old, I worked 2 jobs which had very different working hours, and at one stage I went 5 weeks without having a day off work. Despite being challenging, the experiences I gained from travelling made it well worth the effort. And this installed the belief in me that if you work hard, you will get the rewards. I carry this work ethic through to my current employment, where I'm happy to work long hours and go above and beyond what is expected of an employee in my position. My other key skills include being a team worker. I've been part of a team since I started working at 16. I have good financial skills and have gained an understanding of accountancy as well as corporate finance strategy throughout university. Finally, I'm adaptable. I'm willing to try new things and step outside of my comfort zone, which can be seen through my desire to travel at a young age. To summarise, I am a professional, hard-working person with a passion for the hospitality industry. I've gained both practical and theoretical knowledge of the industry through both my work experience and degree. I am willing to try a variety of roles and would be committed and adaptable to undertaking any task put in front of me. Thank you for listening.